How's it going, everybody? James with OnlineCarShow.net. Got a quick video for y'all today on a car cover for the Camaro from CarCover.com. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, well, it's kind of a funny thing because I was shopping for car covers about a week before this company reached out to me over email and asked if I wanted to test their car cover. Looked on their website at what they said and what the car cover is. Seemed like it was made from quality products. I had good reviews from what I read. I was interested more, so I went ahead and told them to send me one, and let's see what we got in the box here. Sorry about the wind. It is December. Wow, it's like vacuum packed in here. Holy crap. It's like a vacuum pack seal like you'd see on food or whatnot, I guess, to conserve space. And it probably helps in making it more rugged during shipping. So we're gonna have to get that out and carefully. And we've got maybe a cover for storing the car cover, it looks like, when it's not being used. And some string and wire, maybe a patch kit in there. Very cool. Nice rugged box packaging. And I read on their website, it actually, it'll work, for extreme weather. It's water resistant, waterproof, from rain, hail, snow, all kinds of stuff I read on their website. This is their premium cover. They did have two other options on their website. Let's see if I can get into this without cutting it. I think I can if I pull up as I do it. Yeah, if you pull up on it a little bit, and actually if I cut it up here, yeah, you can hear the air rushing in. I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's sucking in air, very cool.
Look, it's moving. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
One thing I do want to recommend, if you're going to go with the car cover, the reason I'm going with one is I'm going to put it in the garage in a car cover, especially in these, December, January, February months when the car's not being used and driven as much, just to keep the dust off so I don't have to clean it. So other people, you might, want to, if you have it out in your driveway or in the street or, apartment parking lot, you might want to get a car cover just to protect it from the elements and stuff hitting it, etc., especially in Houston with the weather we have. So let's go ahead and fold it out. And one thing to make your car cover last longer and not scratch your vehicle too, make sure you put your cover on when your vehicle's clean. Anytime you put a cover on with your vehicle being dirty, it's going to get the inside of that cover dirty, which in turn is going to scratch your vehicle, and you're not going to get the life out of the cover you probably should have. So if I can figure this out here, I'm going to try to do it without instructions. It looks like we got straps to go around the bottom once you get it in, probably some in the front too. And I'm going to disconnect the mic. I disconnected the lapel microphone so y'all could hear me as I was doing this. I'm just going to pull this cover, go back to the vehicle, beside the vehicle. Wow, the inside of this material, I think I read on their website, is fleece. It's super soft. It's probably not good for me to have it in the grass like I do right now. get some more dirt on there, but very soft material. It's almost like a soft rubbery material on the other side. It seems very rugged, almost like a tennis shoe or something. And on this side, it's kind of a soft fleece. Then we're going to unstrap this. Maybe drag it over carefully without scratching it. And I had a car cover before with one of the Corvettes, and sometimes it just takes going back and forth a little bit to get these positioned. Any of y'all have a trick to putting these on? Let me know in the comments. But I've always just kind of hooked them around the lip and gone from there. Maybe. As you can see, it doesn't always go as planned. I think we're getting somewhere on this try though. And I'm noticing it has side mirror covers, maybe. Yeah, so I need to make sure this is front and back is right, which I actually think it may be. Nope. Yeah, it does have a front and back, it looks like, maybe because the side mirrors. We're going to find out if I've got it right or not. This is a lot tighter fitting than the car cover I had before. That's a good sign because it would actually blow off in the wind. This one seems like a lot closer fit to the car. I think we're pretty much there. Just gotta get around the front. Somewhere we've got a tight spot. There we go, just a tight spot in the back. And remember, I have a wicker bill on here, which makes it a little bit taller than the stock as far as fit goes. But it still fits perfect. Look at there. Took a couple minutes, but we got her on. Side mirror fits perfect. And it also, as I mentioned, has these straps. So, you know, if you're storing it for a little while or it's not in the garage, it's going to be out in the wind, rain, you might go ahead and tie these straps and hook them on under the car. But I think very nice car cover. I like the fact that it's this. I'll give you a shot here on the car so y'all can see it all fully. So you can see the fitment is just perfect. And I'll give you all a close up here, the side mirror. It's still kind of, you know, unfolding package, but you see the material here? It's almost like, I compare it to the outside of a tennis shoe, the way it feels, like a softer running shoe. Inside, of course, as I mentioned, it's a soft fleece. But fitment was really good on the car. So there you go. That's the premium car cover from CarCover.com. It's also got a cable lock kit that's included and various ropes. I read on their website. Highly rated, and I recommend this. For the price they had it at, you can't beat it. Don't recommend you use the AutoZone ones and stuff like that. I think that's what I had before on the Corvette. And honestly, it lasted 6 months and was gone. This seems like it's going to last a lot longer. So go check them out, see what they got. They have 3 different options for the Camaro. They had the premium, and I think they have a silver and a bronze or something. but or gold, silver, bronze. But go check out their website, CarCover.com. Now, as I mentioned, they have 3 different options. You know, if you just want a cheaper option, if you're storing it in the garage or whatnot, I think they had like a $100 one, and then a medium, and then the premium, I believe, was only like $159 or something like that. So very good pricing on these covers. I have no problem. The fitment was good snug fit. It's got little air vents to stop air from pocketing underneath. Fits the side mirrors without pushing them in. I think this is a 2 thumbs up on this product, and glad that they contacted me. Thank you, CarCover.com. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. We've got a lot of cool videos coming up here in a short period of time. BMR suspension, got control arms, trailing arms, and adjustable tow rod coming for the Camaro. Also got wheels and tires that I purchased at Auto Empire in Houston. They're going to have drag stars, Mickey Thompsons, so a lot of exciting content coming. We've got a line lock kit, the drag racing in January, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future updates. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next year.